everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Remember last week when I wasn't finding so many things in the freezer section that was our family favorites? This week, I think I want to go try Trader Joe's and check out their freezer section. Let's go. I've ever shown you this part of Trader Joe's. They have a lot of alcohol here. And then all over here. And all, it's like 2 full aisles of alcohol. All right, so I found everything that I wanted in the freezer section. And then I even got some other extra things that I have never bought before. And I can't wait to show you. All right, let's go bag by bag and I'll show you what I got. You guys, $146, but I'm gonna show you why it was that. I bought something, I splurged. So I will show you what I got, but you guys, I did find, like I said, things that I needed for the freezer, snacks, treats, meals, you name it, I'm happy. So, and this haul, I didn't have to do grocery, fresh fruits and vegetables because I just bought those a few days ago. So, but I will show you what I did get. Okay, first up, I picked up this toasted coconut granola. I have been having yogurt for breakfast. And so sometimes I just think it just needs a little something more. And so if I get granola, I could even get vanilla yogurt and it's so good together. Even throw in some fresh or frozen berries. So good. So this is toasted coconut granola and it's gluten-free so that Paul could have it. So I'm happy about that. Another thing that I picked up for Paul are these little trail mixes. And this one has the almonds, cashews, and little pieces of chocolate. So delicious. And they're only like, I don't want to say only, but it's $5.99 and there comes 10 packs in here. So I think that's a really good price for trail mix. It tends to be way more than that, even at Walmart. Picked up a couple more of these brown rice pastas. These are gluten-free. They were $1.99. Now they're 30 cents more. Anyways, that's why I only picked up 2. But whenever I'm cooking these, I don't cook the whole bag. Like if I'm making a casserole, I'll use about a cup. And I'll cook up a cup and then I add more vegetables into the casserole. So it's just kind of like an extra. But I haven't made a casserole in a while. So Paul being dairy free, we've kind of haven't been making some of the normal meals that we've been used to. So maybe I'll still try it and do it without any cheese in it. We will see. All right, I picked up a couple of snacks. Some pita chips, which I know Kobe loves, which pita chips dipped in strawberry jam and cream cheese. Oh my gosh, are so good. Oh, it's like dessert. Well, obviously with strawberry jam, but the pita's got like a really good crunch to it, so it can hold it. And then I saw these. I'm not sure about these. These are rolled tortilla chips that are chili lime flavored. I thought Jonas would like those too. Maybe I should try it. I should try it, right? All right, here we go. It's a little spicy, but very limey. It's really good. Oh, wow. That's really good. So I'm guessing this is kind of like the Trader Joe's Takis, like a Taki kind of knockoff, but healthier. And I'm sure they're using their Trader Joe's chili and lime seasoning. So good. I would definitely buy those again. Just like these, you guys, oatmeal dunkers. These are oatmeal cranberry dunker cookies with a white fudge drizzle. And there's so many in here. This is like $5 or so. So it's gonna be a little pricier, but I just keep them in the pantry and the boys get like a couple at a time, if that, when they would like to have a little treat. And they're so good. And you know, a lot of times oatmeal with raisin. We don't always buy that, but somehow this combination, just with the white chocolate, I usually get every time. I didn't get like a lot of fruits or vegetables, but I did get bananas. I bought some bananas even yesterday. Paul and I were just at Walmart. He had to buy some frames for work. I bought a 5-pack. There are 2 left. So I know the boys, when they see the bananas, they eat them, but they go through phases. Is your family like that, where they'll go through phases on what kind of vegetables or fruits that they will devour? Let me know down below. Okay, here is most of the freezer stuff that I got. So first off, I picked up some of these hot and spicy chicken wings for Jonas, for like an after school snack, or maybe in place of a dinner when I'm not making dinner. That happened last night. We had bowls of cereal. Happens. So these kinds of things are easy. They're already fully cooked. He could just eat them, or heat them and eat them, really. We love their barbecue teriyaki chicken. You can add some vegetables to this, and of course over white rice is one of the easiest meals that I make with or for the family. And Paul and Jonas love the Kung Pao chicken. Now, if I've bought there's like different flavors at Winco, like the honey chicken, orange chicken. There's like different kinds of sweet and sour chicken. Literally, it's like the same chicken, but just different sauces. So they do have a Kung Pao chicken over there, I believe. And I bought it once and I was like, this is not Kung Pao chicken. Like, it's just like the same cuts of chicken, just different sauces. And so this one has like the vegetables in it, the chilies in it. And so I only got one because Jonas and Paul will share it. And they really do like this one. I just picked up some fried raviolis. These are so good with a dipping sauce. It's kind of like a mozzarella stick, if you've never had it before, but it's got a little more, like it's pasta. So it's got like it's just fried pasta. It's so good, but you bake it, so it's really yummy. Okay, so this is something different I don't normally get. I just got some penne pasta, and it has like the sauce with it. I have one of the sausages in the fridge that I thought I could chop up and fry them up and maybe serve it alongside this or in the sauce, especially like with Ezra and I at home for lunches. This might be a really quick lunch because you can see it's not very big. So it's definitely for about like 2 people. So that might be a really easy and yummy lunch. And here's another thing I don't normally pick up, but I'm happy that I found it, are these tenderloins. They're pretty good sized in here. This will probably be a dinner for me and the boys. Not so much Paul, but that's okay. What I'll do is I'll keep this in the back freezer and purchase a gluten-free version of this, which I see at all the stores, and then we can have them at the same time. So I thought a really easy meal to make. So breaded chicken. Let me know down below if you ever had this one from Trader Joe's and what you think. Here's some of the berry medley that I bought, because when I got the granola, I was thinking the berries. And plus with Paul, like when he needs a sweet treat, having just like a bowl of berries and we have like a coconut whipped cream is really good. So it's non-dairy and gluten-free as a good option for him. I picked up some more almond milk. Their almond milk at Trader Joe's was a really good price, like $2.69, not on sale. So that's like a sale price around the other stores for sure. And then I just picked up some regular milk for our family. So that's good to have on hand, especially with all the cereal eating. I picked up just some mozzarella cheese. This is probably more than I wanted. It seems like, I think I just wanted it like half size, but they didn't have that, which is really funny because all of the things at Trader Joe's tends to be smaller in comparison, but the cheese is huge, whatever. Okay, so I got this because I found these pizza crusts. I've never seen these before. They're organic and they are wood fired, already pre-cooked. So you just have to put your toppings on and yay, we're going to have some pizza, right? Really fast. So I'm going to have this actually for for lunch today because I have some pepperoni. I still have a little bit of sauce from Winco, and so I need to use that up. So this seems like it's gonna be so good. And I probably will only use one, so it's got 2 of them here, and it was a decent price, like $5 or something like that. So got 2 meals out of this, yay! So when the boys are having the Kung Pao chicken, I'll probably make the orange chicken for the rest of us, like Kobe, Ezra, and I. So this one is probably the better one, but it does have some bigger chunks in it. So you might want to cut those down after they're cooked if you have smaller kids. But it's really good. It's our favorite for sure. So I bought 3 of these. So we're going to be stocked. All right. I picked up these. These are, it's called Trader Joe Raises the Bar. So they're gluten-free cereal bars or granola bars. I got these for the kid, or actually this one's for Paul. I got the regular ones for the kids, and it looks like it has chocolate on the bottom, so they will really, really like those for sure. So let me put these away, and then we'll finish up with the last 2 bags. All right, here we're at the end. Let me show you what I splurged on. I bought this collagen keto like protein mix for Paul. We ran out. We've had like a couple of big containers from Costco that have been sitting in our pantry, and I've probably made shakes for Jonas and for Paul for like the last month and a half just using them. And so we finally ran out. So I just picked this up while I was there, $20. But the collagen with the MCTs from coconut oil, I've been hearing really good things about. So we'll try this for Paul. We'll see about Jonas. I'm not sure yet. But I thought it's all the gluten-free, dairy-free. It's got 10 grams of protein. So it's got some protein in there too until I can get to Costco again. So I don't know when that's going to happen, but in the meantime, we'll have shakes again in the morning. Okay, so this is the other vegetable thing that I bought was the Vegan Ranch Crunch Salad Kit, which comes with the cabbage, romaine lettuce, crispy fried onions, roasted sunflower seeds, kale, cabbage, carrots, and green onions with a vegan ranch dressing. So I thought that we could try that. And of course, nobody has the ranch anyway, so unless it's just me. So I thought maybe we could do that. And if I didn't put the ranch dressing, we could use it as maybe a taco topper. We'll see. So that looks really good. I picked up a couple of their sparkling waters. This one's cranberry clementine, and this is lime. So I thought I do have some more of those like Crystal Light packets or True Lemon packets, and that we can make some mixed drinks. That would be super good. The other ones that I've shown you are so good, you guys. So, so far I've been really liking following Holly at our faux farmhouse on Instagram. She comes up with some really good drink concoctions. So they're really good. So actually Jonas really just likes to drink these. I do too if it's cold, but mixing them with some other things, it's gonna be delicious. Okay, so I picked up a couple of things just for me. Well, okay, maybe I'll share these ones, but not everybody in my house really likes marshmallows. But these dark chocolate covered ones, they are so good. And around the holidays, they have a dark chocolate mint one. The best. I mean, really the best. So this one is just the chocolate. So good. But here's the mint. I love chocolate mint. And these ones, I'll forget we have them. I'll put them in the pantry. And a lot of times it's out of sight, out of mind. And then I don't notice it. And here it is. Like I have this yummy treat. I'm like, yay, so happy. So I'll put these away. I'll share them with anybody who'd like them, but I have a feeling they're gonna pass. I picked up some sliced sourdough, like just sandwich sourdough. I don't think I've ever had it from Trader Joe's, but I just usually have a slice of toast every morning with my eggs. And so I know sourdough is better for your gut. So having one, is a good option to white bread. So I thought we could try that for sure. I picked up these frozen little strawberries. You guys, they are just like in the picture. They are so red and so delicious, and they're not sweetened. So not that I think they are, but they might be like I don't know, but they're just so perfect and itty bitty and covered in dark chocolate. Delicious. This is a really good treat. I keep them in the freezer and really anybody could take some. Picked up a couple of these mac and cheeses. So this will be more than enough for Ezra. He'll even have leftovers usually. Jonas pretty much can eat a whole one. So these are $2.99 each, kind of a little more on the pricier side, but not any more expensive than making a Velveeta box. So I don't know. So this is actually really, really good. And I think that Danny Phillips puts like Ritz crackers on it to make it even crunchier on top. We haven't done that yet, but it is so good even without it. I picked up their mac and cheese bites. These are a really good treat, a good snack for the kids. They don't normally have like a marinara with it, but if you've ever had them from the Cheesecake Factory, ooh, they are so good in that sauce. Oh, it's delicious. Not quite that standard, but these are pretty good anyways. Picked up some eggs. Their price of eggs was like $2.29, I think. So that's a pretty good price for a dozen eggs, and they're not even on sale. So that's another place where you can look for your eggs at a decent price. And then the last thing I picked up was a mango. These were just, I thought looked so perfect, ready to be devoured. So I love these. I have like the best memories when I was a kid, just slicing them and eating them and sitting in the summer sun. I mean, I just have like really good memories of eating mangoes. So let me know down below if you are a fan of the mango. And that is it, everybody. I spent $146. Like I said, that protein powder was our splurge. So really without it, it would have been like $126. So that's all I got. I'm so happy to have my freezer fuller. And I'm so glad that you went with me to Trader Joe's. Thanks so much for coming along. Have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.